This is my M1. This is my M1 finance portfolio. I'm not gonna show all this section because that is extremely private. But I do use spend, I do use borrow, I use the research, and I use transfer. Like, this app is a super app. Like, I love using this app. Hello everyone, my name is Kaseem. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, you are welcome. If you're not new, you're welcome back. Like I always say, I appreciate you for always coming back. When you see my thumbnail and coming back to check out the video, I appreciate you for that. So in today's video, I'm going to do a top-down review, a comprehensive review of M1 Finance. I really love using this app for, people in the US. We're pretty lucky to have access to this app. This app is a great app. It's helped me stay focused when it comes to investing. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna do a couple of things in today's video. I'm gonna walk you through the website. I have the website pulled up here. I'm gonna walk you through the website. I did something similar to this video with BlockFi. Okay, I used BlockFi and I explained the whole thing. So I figured let me do a comprehensive look as well for M1 Finance, since I really love this app investing platform so much. It's too bad that they don't have it in Europe or anything like that. Hopefully they'll have it at some point. But this app, it's so great. It's really nice. I really love using this app. Okay, so as you guys see here, this is my dividend and growth investing portfolio. Just did a video on it recently. Check out that video explaining what's going on, talking about how I'm managing a portfolio, what I'm doing and everything like that, and how I'm able to get paid every month and also get some growth in my portfolio as well. Currently, this is what we are up by in the portfolio, and we're up $700. So this is set up in such a way that it's so great. Like, I absolutely love this thing. One of the features that I like about it is you can tell how your portfolio is doing on a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis. It gives you very little options, so you get to think long term. So for example, if I click on 1 week here, the portfolio is up $500 for the week. That's nice. If I click on 1 month, you can, if it's, let's say the portfolio go down or something like that, it's easier for me to just jump in and buy with the amount that it went down by. It really breaks everything down for you, and I really love using it. So let's get to the website here. Okay, this is the website, m1finance.com, and basically they have multiple things going on. They just recently add this credit card to their roster of products, but the main thing is you can use it to invest. Okay, you can use it to invest, and these are some of the options that they have now. They have, how it works. They have M1 Plus. They have M1. M1 is basically the brokerage side of things. Okay, this is the what do I call it? This is the brokerage side of things. This part right here, M1 Plus, M1. That is the first part. Basically, it's called M1 Invest. And then they also have Borrow. Okay, M1 Borrow is basically once you have more than $10,000 invested, you can borrow 30% of your 10,000 without selling it. I think that's a great feature as well. This is M1 Spend. It's a checking account with an FDIC insured bank, and then they have credit that they just coming out with, which is this one, and then they have Plus, which is their paid membership that they have. So let's scroll down here to the next one, the owner's reward card by M1 Finance coming for M1 Plus members. I'm an M1 Plus member, and you know that by the top here, your status will be gold. Okay, that means you pay about $125 a year to be a member. Okay, and that allows you to do a few things. So let's watch this ad really quickly.
If you're an M1 Plus member, your portfolio has a new way to increase in value. Because every time you use the new M1 Plus credit card to shop at some of the companies you're already invested in, you'll get up to 10% cash back straight into your M1 Invest account. And with some of the most well-known publicly traded companies as part of this program, chances are you already own some of them, and ownership has its privileges. Introducing the Owner's Rewards Card by M1.
So that is what they have there for the credit card. They just recently coming up with that. I think it's going to be a good addition to the line of products. So here are some of the features that they have here. Let me move myself to the middle here. They have fewer fees. They definitely have fewer fees. They don't have much fees when it comes to buying and selling. They have smarter tools. They definitely do. And they have all these targets and everything. They have different strategies and targets that you can work with. So it really is for long-term investors. This platform it's really nice. I completely recommend it. If you are watching my channel and you're looking where to start, I will completely recommend you start with M1. It really is a great platform. Here's a breakdown of the two. They have M1 Invest. So this is where you basically go in, create your pies, and you invest with them. You invest using the platform. Invest in companies that you like and you want to invest in. All right. The second one that they have is M1 Borrow, and basically what that is you can borrow money against your portfolio. So your portfolio is collateral, and you can borrow money against your portfolio, and you can only do that once you have about $10,000 in the account, and you can borrow it at a 2.2 to 3% rate, which is not bad. Okay. They also have M1 Spend. Okay, it's like a banking checking account. You can have a checkbook. You can cut out checks for people directly from their account. They make it so easy. It really is great. So this is their paid service. It's M1 Plus. They charge I can't remember. I think your first year is free. They give it to you for free for the first year, so you can try it and see if you like it. And then after that, I think you pay either 125, like I said here, or less than that. But I use it because I really like it. They give you a 2% 2% loan rate, so you borrow money at a lower rate. And then they have all these smart transfer features that says, oh, if you have $10,000 in your account, and you want to have at least a minimum of 8,000. Anytime you have more than $10,000 in your account, more than 8,000, they just automatically take the difference and invest it for you. You don't even have to do anything. So they have all those tiny little features. Yeah, you can have custodial account. I mean, you guys see all the features here. These are real features. Like, you actually get this. You can send checks. It's really convenient. I've used them multiple times. I really love it. So these are government banking institution that your account is protected by. SIPC, FDIC, and M1 is registered with all the brokerage companies and recognition. Like, I really love this app, man. This app, I think if you are brand new to investing, I would say you should start with M1 Finance, because they make investing so easy. Like, they make investing so easy. If you are going to start investing, consider using my link below. It's in the description. You can click on the description button and you can use my link. I have my links there. I appreciate you for doing that. Yeah, so that is pretty much it. And you can also check here. You can check here to see all the brokerage situation that they have going on. Like, they're registered with all the states, so they're registered. They have everything set up, so we know we're dealing with a reputable company. But yeah, so they have these three features, like I said: borrow, invest, and you have all this. They have their checking account. So those are pretty much it. So let me go into this now and show you guys a real life situation. This is my M1. This is my M1 finance portfolio. I'm not gonna show all this section because that is extremely private. But I do use spend, I do use borrow, I use the research, and I use transfer. Like, this app is a super app. Like, I love using this app. Like, I really love using it. I hope you guys can tell. Anyway, so yeah, this is my setup. And basically the way it works is I've allocated all these percentages here that I'm like, okay, whenever an app deposit new money, it gets deposited here, and whenever dividend comes in, it gets deposited in this cash section, and then M1 would basically put it into buying stocks based off of the percentages that you've allocated. So let's say if I click on ETF pie here, in one pie I can have 100 different companies in one pie. I think that's the limit that they have. You can have 100 slices, they call it slices, in one pie. Okay, so here I have the ETF section. This is just where I put my miscellaneous ETF stocks that I want to have. You have the total market here, total world ETF. So basically what's going to happen is anytime I deposit new money and it comes into this section, M1 will look at all these percentages and basically start filling out the lowest ones, and start filling them out all the way to they get to their appointed allocation, which is something like this, like 1%. This one I want it to be 1%, and right now is 0.9%. So if I add new money into this section of the portfolio, it will probably put it into the lower one, the lower percentage one. So I hope you get what I'm trying to say. If you don't, put it in the comments in the description below, in the comment section, and I'll answer you. Okay. Yeah. So I really love using this thing. Like I said, I really love using this. It's such a great app. It really is such a great app. After about 1 year of using this app, like, I really like using it. I use all the features, and I pay $120, I think, per year to use the features. It really works for me. I like it. I use M1 Invest, I use Spend, and I use Borrow. So it works really well for me. So I recommend it if you are new to investing. I recommend M1 Finance. The biggest feature that I like the most is just the fact that they have fractional shares. Okay, I know a lot of brokers have fractional shares, but M1 just works. They don't have a bunch of things that you have to be dealing with. They don't try to keep you in the app. They're relatively straightforward. You're either buying or selling. Most of the time, the way it's set up, you're probably just buying. So I really like that feature about M1 Finance. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I appreciate you for checking out the video. If you like what I do here, consider subscribing to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up. I appreciate you. Until next time, see you later. Love you all.